Let me tell you something very important. Marketing has changed, big time. The old way? Blasting ads, sending endless emails, hoping something sticks. That game is over, completely over. In 2026, the winners are not doing more. They're doing less, but smarter, much smarter. Right now, inboxes are guarded like fortresses. Algorithms don't care about effort. They care about precision. And most marketers? They're invisible. Totally invisible. That's why micro-reach mastery exists. It's not another tool. It's a system. A system that shows you how to reach the exact buyers who are ready to respond without begging for attention. E-commerce, affiliate marketing, local lead generation, same strategy, same framework, real results. You learn how to bypass the noise, how to get seen, how to get replies, and how to turn small, focused outreach into serious revenue. And here's the best part. There are free bonuses waiting, valuable bonuses, but they won't be there forever. Click the link in the bio and claim them before they're gone. If you're tired of shouting into the void, if you're ready to market like it's 2026, not 2016, this is the move. To know everything about this system, visit theproductoasis.com and search Micro Reach Mastery, or simply follow the link in the description below this video. Smart marketers adapt. The rest get left behind.